Sushi.
Thank you.
That's your chicken.
Oh my gosh. Thank you. Oh, you guys. Check this out, you guys. Look at this. Butter chicken tikka masala pizza. You guys, I got half and half. This is how it looks. Guys, look how beautiful that pizza looks. I'm gonna be honest with you guys on my review from 1 to 10. Check this out.
Curry loaded waffle fries for you.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, you guys, check this out. They just brought over the curry loaded waffle fries. I heard so much about this. You guys, check this out. Look at this. So this place actually has, I think, 5 stars. This place has 5 stars. You guys, I heard so much good stuff about this place. This place is Yelp's top 100 places to eat in America. Just look at this pizza, you guys. Oh my gosh, butter chicken pizza, tikka masala pizza, and then the curry loaded fries, you guys, waffle fries. Let's go in with the waffle fries first. See how they are. Oh, so crispy, you guys, look at that. Waffle fries are cooked to perfection. You guys see that? Holy moly. Guys, now that's how you do a waffle fry. Guys, they're so crunchy, super crispy. Look at that. That was the best waffle fries I've ever had in my entire life. I'm not even lying to you guys. Super fresh. They had jalapenos to it, onions, curry, fries. Better than chili cheese fries. Holy moly. I will come back just for that again. Alright guys, so now what they're known for is their pizza. So, butter chicken, tikka masala. We're gonna go ahead and try it. Damn, holy moly, look at this, you guys. Here we go. Let's go, let's do it. If I could slam the wall right now, I definitely would. Sorry guys, there's definitely people here, so you guys see me looking around. Let's not care, guys. This is one of the best pizzas I've ever had. The crust.
Butter chicken waffle fries.
Oh my gosh. Thank you. You guys, look what they just brought. Butter chicken waffle fries. Guys, so these are the curry fries, which you guys definitely have to try. And these are the butter chicken waffle fries that you guys have to try. These right here were a 10 out of 10. So let's go ahead and try these. But first, oh guys, look what they sent over too. Ranch. Guys, let's try out the ranch. You guys know that I'm a huge ranch fanatic. Here we go. Let's do it. There's no way. You guys, I would go crazy right now if we weren't in public. Look at this, you guys. This is probably, I know you guys said, you guys watched that last pizza video, and I said that was the best pizza that I've tried, like out of all the pizzas that I've tried, but no. This pizza is definitely a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna try these butter chicken waffle fries. Holy, you guys, these waffle fries are so crunchy. Look at that. Here we go. First time, let's go. You know what? I'm bringing Nate here next weekend. This needs another food review, you guys. Holy moly. These fries are cooked to perfection, super crunchy. Honestly, guys, I think this is better than chili cheese fries. I don't think chili cheese fries could even compare to this. All right, guys. So, butter chicken pizza. Now let's try the tikka masala pizza. Chicken tikka masala pizza. Here we go. You guys check that out. Bam. With the ranch, let's go. That ranch is amazing. Wow, guys, this is so fresh. Have you guys seen me eating this place more often? You guys know why. You guys truly know why. So back to these butter chicken waffle fries. It's loaded, you guys. Check that out. Now we know why, you guys. Number 100 top 100 places to eat in America. Can you believe that? Yelp rated, you guys. Look at that. You guys, I'm holding back the craze right now because I'm in public. Huh? Oh, maybe a water. Yeah. You guys, they're so nice here. Thank you. Is this ranch homemade?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so good. Yeah, guys, the ranch is killer. You guys, this homemade ranch is amazing. You guys, please come here. Probably one of the best pizzas you'll ever have. So there's people right behind me, so I don't want to be too loud and too crazy. But you guys, You guys need to come here to the Curry Pizza Company. Everybody was talking about it. I think this location just opened up like probably the beginning of the month. Alright guys, so the fries. Okay, let's talk about the waffle fries. These are the curry ones, which they have onions, tomatoes, and jalapenos. And they have the butter chicken ones. So these are vegetarian right here. If you are a vegetarian, you might want to get these. But if you eat meat or chicken, butter chicken ones. Personally, my favorite are the butter chicken ones. I would definitely give these a 10 out of 10, just because it has cilantro and it just gives it a nice like fresh taste. These I'm also gonna give a 10 out of 10. If you don't eat any meat, try out these. I honestly would come here now just for the fries, because the fries are just that good. And let's talk about the pizza. Let's go in again with this tikka masala pizza. Dip into the ranch. Look at that, you guys. Also, again, 10 out of 10, you guys. Super fresh. Like I said, if I wasn't in public, I would go crazy, bouncing off the walls. If I can give it a 20 out of 10, I would. I think I found my new pizza spot. This is the best pizza I've ever tried on this channel. I'm not even lying to you guys. This crust though, like I had never had pizza that had crust like this. I can eat the crust just by itself. It's that good. Super flaky, you guys see that? Amazing. Alright guys, I'm so full now. This food is so good. I can't even I don't even know what to say. I'm at loss for words. You guys definitely have to come here. I will come here again for sure, 100%. 1000% come here again.
Thank you so much, guys.
So good. This is amazing.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is honestly probably the best pizza I've tried out of all the pizzas I've tried. It's super fresh, and this dough is like, I don't know what it is, but...
Yeah, we make a dough every day.
Oh, really?
That's a huge difference from somebody else on here.
Yeah.
So what dough is going to be used today? It should be made last night.
Yeah.
And the veggies came 2 times.
Really?
Yeah. Monday we prepare for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday we prepare for weekends, and Saturday we prepare for them.
It's like so fresh. You can taste it.
I personally don't compromise with my food.
Yeah. This is amazing.
Quality, presentation, from quality to
Presentation is just already like, it looks so good.
Yeah, so from quality to presentation and customer service too.
So good.
Thank you so much for coming.
Of course.
Really appreciate
Yeah.
for that.
So I'm gonna post this video tomorrow on my YouTube channel.
Thank you to YouTube.
Yeah. You guys, I'm telling you guys, the Curry Pizza Company, right when I walked in, I haven't even talked to the owner yet, and I just talked to the girl in the front desk, and she was super, super nice. So you guys have to come here for sure, 100%. Yeah. Steven Sushi. You guys, I'm gonna do a whole little review when I get back in the car, but you guys, amazing. I'm gonna take this to go. Des is gonna go crazy for this pizza. I'm gonna take the rest home. We have dinner for later. Pizza day all day today, you guys. And these waffle fries, also 10 out of 10. This is the curry waffle fries. So these have no meat. These are a vegetarian. And then you have the butter chicken waffle fries. 10 out of 10, you guys. I'm gonna pack everything to go. And then I'll see you guys in the car. All right, guys. Sorry for holding back at the restaurant. You probably didn't think that I liked it because of how I was acting. You guys don't even know. I was so nervous, but of acting like how I usually act, because there was people behind me. It was dead silent in there. But you guys, the Curry Pizza Company, excuse me, the best pizza I've ever had in my entire life. I'm not even lying to you. The neighbors are probably going crazy. The best pizza I've ever had in my entire life. Screw every other pizza place. This Indian pizza is the best I've ever had in my entire life. You guys, now I know why they are rated Yelp's top 100 places to eat in America. And I'm not being sponsored for this. I'm not being paid to say this. I will forever eat here. They have them in Glendora. They have one in Fontana. They have some all over, you guys. I'll link their Instagram down in the comments below, and then it'll show a little list of places. It's called the Curry Pizza Company. You guys need to go. Let them know Steven Sushi sent you. Pizza's amazing. The butter chicken waffle fries are amazing. Guys, go get some. I'm home. Finally, you guys seen my true reaction. My true reaction of how good this pizza is. Indian pizza, amazing. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for pizza videos every week. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video, right? Peace.